Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to showcase one of the most beautiful hotels on the Mauritius island. This is Shangri-La. Guys, the video 2 or 3 parts, but I want to give you guys a glimpse of how luxurious this hotel is. The hotels have a unique island, private island. They have all activities included. So guys, this is how we arrived. We traveled from Palmar. We stayed previously in one of the luxurious hotels on the island as well, so you can check on the page to watch the video. But this video is when we arrive at the hotel, guys. It's amazing. I just want to give you guys how the hotel look like. Then the next video, the second one, the third one will have a full details, but this will give you guys how the hotel look like. I hope you enjoy this video. Please make sure you stay and watch the video. And also, if it's your first time, thank you for joining. And for my amazing subscribers and viewers, thank you so much. God bless you. I hope you enjoy this amazing island. Beach, look at this. This is gorgeous. Wow, this is beautiful. Well, good. What's the name of this beach? Palmar. Wow, guys, the name of the beach is Palmar Beach. It's just on the Palmar Beach Road. Beautiful. Look at the sun. It's very pristine. Let me just get here so I can see. Wow, look at this. So white. The sun is so white, so beautiful. So guys, we just stopped at the road to buy some street food. They're making the food from scratch. Is that chicken, yeah? Fish. No chicken? There's chicken, yeah? Hello, how are you?
How are you?
You're making the chicken fresh, yeah?
Yes.
Grill, yeah? Julian.
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice.
And which hotel?
Shangri-La.
Shangri-La?
Yeah, we just going there now.
Ah, okay.
So we just thought, very nice. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Eat homemade chicken with some bread, and lady is going to serve us some biryani, right? And they also do chips as well. This is how Mauritian currency look like. This is 1,000 Mauritian rupee.
You are fish also like.
Oh. How much this one?
Dari bilangku.
Shangri-La Le Touessrok. So you're most welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
The right choice.
Oh, thank
and
you.
the right destination.
Oh.
And Mobs, the lobby ambassador, very pleased to welcome you.
Thank
You're
you.
pleased now accompanied to our lovely lobby waiting for you.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah. Look at the colorful fish. Where? Wow. Yeah, you can see they're looking at us. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Our lovely lobby now waiting for you.
Thank you. Oh, wow.
Just in front is our main pool. Okay. Whenever you are settled at the beach or at the pool, you will have towels and free water.
Thank you.
Thank you. After the pool, on the left hand side, we have a kids club. Close to the kids club, we have a turtles pool. Like we have three giant turtles, more than 100 years. They are namely Fifi, Toto, and Lola. Fifi and Lola. Fifi, Toto, and Lola.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Regarding our restaurant, we have 4 restaurants at the hotel. Just upstairs is the main one, TSK, which is buffet. Open for breakfast, 7 to 10:30.
Okay.
And dinner time here starts from 6:30 to 10:30.
Oh, okay.
Awesome.
Regarding the buffet, no booking required.
Okay.
It's a first come, first serve basis.
Awesome.
Then we do have 3 a la carte restaurants. The first one on the same level, our Japanese restaurant Kyushin. At your back, Indian restaurant.
Saffron.
Amazing. You know, we have 2 signature restaurants, the Indian and the Japanese. Amazing. I will recommend you to book in advance. They are very demanding
Okay.
and they are quite high.
I'll let you know what dates we're definitely going to do that.
And the third one is in front. I will show you a Mediterranean restaurant, Coco's. So for the free a la carte, advance booking required.
Okay.
And dress code for gentlemen.
I love spices.
Oh wow.
Wow, look at the sea.
The hotel is surrounded by beaches. You can go to any beach. And this one is the Hibiscus Beach.
Okay.
Okay.
Just in front is our boat house, open from 9 to 5 for complimentary water activities. The non-motorizing like kayak, pedalo, they are first come, first serve.
Okay.
Then you have snorkeling, glass bottom boat, water ski, they are free as well, which you have to book in advance at the concierge or the boat house itself.
Water ski.
Wow.
Any questions so far?
No, thank you. Water ski, wow. Okay.
Perfect for relaxing. The restaurant, bar, sunbed, and the restaurant there is open for lunch. 12:30 to 2:30, no booking required.
Okay.
Like on the beach there, you will have same for beach that we have at the hotel.
Wow.
And as mentioned, you have the Wi-Fi as well.
Wow.
Behind it, we have our golf course, also. If you don't play golf, you can go to visit as well. And you have free shuttle boats every 20 minutes.
Wow.
Regarding the golf, you entitled to have green fields. We have another golf course, and I think this one you can go to. It's approximately 20 minutes to drive.
Wow.
Thank you.
This
Thank
is our coral beach.
Okay.
Is it?
Normally the room that you book correct situated on this room. It's
Yeah.
a nice room as well.
Oh, okay.
Now we are going to the front with the Mediterranean restaurant Coco's. Open for lunch, 12:30 to 2:30. No booking, but for dinner you have to book. Okay. And every day from 5 to 6 at the bar here we have the golden hour, like the happy hour.
Okay.
We have 50% discount on a selection of drinks, alcoholic and non-alcoholic one. This pool is our adult pool, a quiet zone as you can see. Close to it, our fitness center, open 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. And we have the spa, Chile Spa. The spa is open from 9 to 8. Sauna and hammam free of charge. If you want to book for your massage that you're entitled to have, I can book it for you.
Okay.
Or from your room you have directly or directly at the spa.
Okay. Wow. Which is in Frangipane. You ready? Oh my God. Wow.